Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do assessment of the lesson The House with the Golden Windows. Okay, now we are doing assessments. We have completed speaking, writing, and all this, and today we are going to do the remaining part. All of you open page number 10 in your textbooks. Okay, open page number 10. Yes. See this. In our previous class, I have asked you to do these two topics, right? These two speaking conversations. I asked you to frame situational conversation for these two topics, and I asked your opinion about these pictures, where you would prefer to live, either this one or this one. Okay, and now today we are going to do writing. Okay, writing assessment. See, imagine you are Steve. You have had a busy day walking up the big hill. You have found out that the windows of your house also turned golden at sunset. Write a diary entry about your day. So now it's time to imagine that you are Steve, children. Okay, you have had a busy day walking up the big hill, so you got a chance to walk up the big hill. You have found out that the windows of your house also turn golden at sunset. So when you walked up the big hill, you found that your house is also, just you imagine that, okay, your house is also having the golden windows during sunset. So now you have to write a diary entry about your day. So you have to write a diary describing how at what time you have climbed up the big hill, and what you have found over there. From there, which side you have seen your house, and how did you feel? Do you remember that it's your house? Do you believe that your house is also having golden windows at sunset? All you have to mention in your diary. Okay, begin this way. So they have given the introduction how to write the diary. Okay, see, dear diary, what a marvelous day I have had. My father gave me a holiday, and even then I knew it was going to be a very special day. Just as my father said, I decided to use my holiday well and learn something new. I set off. See, and here he is starting in this way. What a marvelous day I had today. My father gave me permission. See here, my father gave me a holiday, means his father gave him permission, and even then I knew it was going to be a very special day. So Steve already knows that it is going to be a very special day, because he wants to climb up the hill and he wants to find the house with golden windows. So just as my father said, I decided to use my holiday well and learn something new. So he wants to find something new. I set off, and the remaining things you have to mention. Okay, children, I am waiting for your response, like what you have seen when you climbed up the hill, and how do you feel on top of the hill, and which side you have found your house, and what was your opinion during sunset when you find your house, and all these I want you to mention. Okay, children, now see this life skills activity. It is self-awareness and interpersonal skills. This is, see, Steve was a hard-working and helpful boy. Yes, Steve used to work hard, and he used to help his father. He helped his parents By doing a lot of chores. Yes, he used to help his parents by doing lot of work, whatever they allotted to him. See here, ask yourself these questions. So, children, you ask yourself these questions, okay? How does your family spend the evening? So, during evening times, your father will come from office, your mother will also come from office, or your mother do all the household things and she will sit with you, she will spend with you some time, and you also come from the school and your grandma and grandpa also will be there at home. So how does your family spend the evening? Will all of you spend your evening separately, or you all of you sit together and have some time? How how will you spend the evening times? I want you to reply for this question and see, are you especially close to anyone in the family? We children, we obviously love each and every person in our family, but there will be one special person to us that we are very close to them and we share each and every feelings with them. So is there any special and close, is there any special person that you feel close to anyone in the family? So if yes, mention. See the third point. What are your duties at home? How do you help your family? So, before coming to school or after going from school, what are your duties at home? Will you do any work? Will you help your dad, your mom, or your grandmother, or your grandpa, or your siblings? Will you do any work to them? If yes, mention. And next one, who cooks the meals? Do you appreciate the food when you eat it? So, at home, who will cook the meals? Your father, your grandmother, your mother, or your grandfather, or your siblings? Who cooks the meals at your home? And do you appreciate the food when you eat it? Have you ever appreciated the food when you eat the cooked meals by your grandma or your mother or your siblings? If yes, share your responses. Okay, children, do this life skills activity and writing diary activity as an assessment. Okay, children. Bye, children. Thank you, all of you.